Hello everyone, this is Jay, and today it's Friday, which is one of my favorite days. On Fridays, I of course get paid for my job, right? Just like a lot of other people out there. But I get to deposit money into my portfolio. I get to review my portfolio to see what's undervalued within my holdings, and then I can start purchasing some of those holdings that I have, so I can continue growing my positions. So as you can see right here, 39% of my money is in ETFs, 17% is in real estate, and today I'm gonna be buying heavier again in the real estate sector. So let's go right into my dividend portfolio. So this is my spreadsheet right here where I keep track of my dividend portfolio. And as you can see right here, my top three positions are SCHD, O, Realty Income, and VYM. So SCHD and VYM, I'm gonna be buying my regular $25 of every Friday. Every Friday, I buy $25 into SHD and VYM, no matter what the price is at. I'm always going to be doing that for a very long time, most likely forever if I can, right? Until I start using my dividends for income. So these two positions right here, definitely two of my favorites, and they're going to become the largest positions in my portfolio. I want it to be a minimum of 60% of my portfolio, so I'm going to be continuing to buy those. Then Realty Income is one that right now the share price is at $52.11. I'm at 26.4 shares. I have over $1,500 invested in this company, and my performance, it is down right now 9.91%, as is a lot of the real estate sector companies. They are down right now. So I'm going to continue taking advantage of this company. They are one of the largest in the real estate sector. They have over 15,000 properties. So I kind of feel pretty good about the company in the long term. And a lot of people out there also invest in this company. I see it being very, very popular in the community. So definitely one that I'm going to continue to dollar cost average, right? I DCA every Friday into my holdings. So $52.11. My cost is $57. So if I can continue bringing it down, that would be awesome, and continue to bring dividends and grow that dividend. My next one, it will be Vici in the real estate sector. I'm at 10.3 shares. I purchased $20 last week, so I went pretty heavy last week. I think I'm gonna be going a little bit heavy again this week, for sure. I'm in the negative by 0.75%, which is not much, only $2 down. Share price is at $29.93. My cost per share is $30.16. They announced earnings, and they did very good to me, in my opinion. They continue to grow. This company just continues to grow their FFO, their AFFO. So I definitely feel good about it. Feel good about the company long term. So I'm going to continue investing in this one, and I want to make it a little bit bigger for sure. So I'm going to be going a little bit heavier into these two right there. Another one, Apple. This one, I was doing a challenge on this one with one of the subscribers, a $10 weekly challenge. So I was buying $10 of Apple. The subscriber was buying $10 of Visa. So I want to buy a little bit more again, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna leave it for last, and I'm hoping I'll put like $5 at $180 right now and 75 cents that is at the closing of Thursday. So I'm gonna continue to bring up my cost from $137. That is my cost per share right now, but I want to grow this position a little bit more. And another one that I want to grow that is in the positive is Starbucks. Right now, share price is at $94.90. I've been buying like little bits here and there from Starbucks, because my cost per share is at $89.50 right now. I think my cost per share before I started buying again, it was like around $88. So, but I don't wanna continue to stay at a low shares. I want to continue buying more. So I think I'm going to try to buy $5 of Apple and $5 of Starbucks this week for sure. Another one that I really want to grow is Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE. They just paid their dividend. So I'm excited about that. It was only a few dollars for me, but how much it was for you? How many shares do you hold of Kenvue? I know there's some of the subscribers that hold Kenvue, ticker symbol is KVUE. So how many shares do you hold? Do you like this company also? Definitely one that I like. And I'm gonna continue buying some more. I really want to get to 100 shares on this one, so I want to try going a little bit heavier, but I want to build my other positions also. Pfizer is another one that I'm down a lot. I'm down 20%. And I want to buy. I'm gonna continue DCAing into it. Probably another $5 into Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. I'm at 13.8 shares right now. Share price is at $26.56. My cost per share is $33.30. So I want to continue bringing my cost down. So in this one, I really like their dividend, especially their yield right now is at 5%. I'm afraid that they will cut the dividend this year, but let's see. They haven't cut it yet, so I'm gonna continue buying some more and get that nice yield, that 5% yield, and holding long term also. Another one that I bought a little bit more actually, it was Visa, ticker symbol V. 0.5 shares right now, so I have a half a share already. Share price is at $282.64. My cost per share is $273.93. I definitely feel I'm disappointed every time when I think about the videos that I made when it was around $250 and I did not buy it. I started buying it when it went up to $270, but it's okay. It's mistakes that we made, right, for timing the market. So definitely a lesson learned that I will not be timing the market anymore. I will spend time in the market. That's definitely better than timing the market. So I was waiting for it to go down and it never did. It went all the way up to 280. Sorry about that. I'm in deposit by 4.72, but I bought some more this week. Let's go into the updates tab. And right here, I deployed the cash that I had. So I bought $11 of Visa, ticker symbol V. It purchased for me 0.038 shares. Share price is at $282.65. So it cleared at $10.74. And then I put the last $10 into VYM. I told you guys I want to continue growing this position. So he purchased for me 0.086 shares. Sorry. Share price was at $115.14. So it cleared at $9.90. So this one, definitely one that I want to continue growing. And I deposit the last $10 into VYM. One that I have the challenge is ticker symbol PG. Procter & Gamble is the name of the company. I have a challenge right now that I'm going to start on Monday. So I'm going to deposit an extra $10. And I'm going to be buying on Monday. No matter where the price is at. Right now, the price is at $158.94. My cost per share is $136.95. I'm in the positive by 16% right now. And this is with dividends reinvested pretty much because I've been reinvesting the dividends into this company since I started this position right here. I'm only at 3.4 shares and I want to continue growing this position right here. So let's go right into the stock analysis tab, which is right here. And I opened it up already. So ticker symbol is PG. The name of the company is Procter & Gamble. Right now, it is $158.94. And pre-market today, Friday, it is at $158.95. Market cap, $376 billion for this company. So definitely a big company right there. EPS, earnings per share, 5.97. PE ratio, 26.62. The dividend right now, it is at $3.76 per share per year. 2.37%. Their ex-dividend date happened already, which it was on January 18. And I got paid from this company already and reinvested the dividends. So next week I should be posting my video on how much in dividend income I receive in the month of February. But I'm definitely excited about this month, March. I can't wait. I can't wait to get those dividends from SCHD and VYM, which are going to be even higher this month. So I'm definitely excited about that. 52-week range, 52-week low of $136.10, and 52-week high $161.74. So I definitely purchased when it was around the 130s. I purchased more. The analysts are calling this a buy right now. So this one, definitely one that I will say I have not been buying, right, because of the price, but I cannot anchor to the lower price. I gotta continue purchasing some more. So I am definitely on a mission to buy some more. So in the last month, it is up 1.66%. Year to date, it's up 8.60%. So it's definitely up. The company in the last year 15%. In the last 5 years 58%. This is only in share price. So if you bought 5 years ago, you will be up 58% with this company. This is not with dividends reinvested. And then in the max, you will be up. If you bought in, it was founded in 1837, but it looks like, not sure if IPO was in 1970, but if you started in 1970 and you bought in 1970 at $1.70 a share, wow, you will be up 9,189% in just share price appreciation. So definitely a good one. As you can see right here, it just continues to grow and grow and grow. I love their products, so that's why I invest in this company. Revenue for this company, as you can see right here, it was at $74 billion in 2014. It went down and they were at $65 billion in 2017, but then they started going up again after that. So $70 billion in 2020, and then $82 billion in 2023. So that's for the revenue. The shares, let me see if they're diluting shareholders, and they're actually not. 2.7 billion shares outstanding in 2014, went down to 2.5 billion shares in 2017, then 2.4 in 2020, 2.4 billion shares, and then right now they are at 2.356 billion shares in 2023. So they're not diluting the shareholder, they're buying back shares, which is definitely awesome. That's a good sign right there. And let's take a look at the free cash flow. And as you can see right here, they have a steady free cash flow. It's not going up and up and up, but it is not going down. So as you can see, they had $10 billion, $10.1 billion of free cash flow in 2014. Then they went down to $9.3 billion in 2017, but they continue going up. In 2020, they went up to $14.3 billion in free cash flow. 2021, they went all the way up to $15.5 billion in free cash flow. And then right now in 2023, they are at $13.7 billion in free cash flow. So that's definitely a good sign right there, right? In EPS, earnings per share, let's take a quick look. Sorry about that. It's just, okay, so the earnings per share, as you can see, has been in the positive as always. It is not growing by a lot, but it is growing a little bit. So they had a 5.13 earnings per share in 2020 and now 6.07 in 2023. So they're definitely growing. And in 2019, they had a 1.45 earnings per share. So they were down a good amount. But right now, as you can see, it's pretty steady. It is not like Visa that is just growing and growing and growing. But it feels pretty nice and safe, to be honest with you, with this company since they stay steady. Total debt, let's take a look. They were at $35.4 billion in 2014. They brought it down and they started paying debt. And in 2019, they went down to $30 billion in debt. But then they acquired some more debt in 2020 at $34.7 billion in debt. And then they just paid some off at $31.4 billion in 2022. And then in 2023, it looks like they got a little bit more debt at $34.6 billion in debt. So they have a good amount of debt, but they also have some good free cash flow. So they're definitely doing good as a company. In my opinion, they're not doing great, but they're doing good. And it feels... I feel pretty good about this company. Let's take a look at the forecast right now. So as you can see, They forecast a low. The analysts are calling this a consensus buy. The lowest price that they have is $153 in the next 12 months forecast, which it will be a change of 3.74% down in the negative. The average that they're estimating in the next 12 months, it will be $168. So it will be an upside of 5.74%. And then the high, $179 in share price appreciation, which will be an upside of 12.62%. Now let's take a quick look at the dividends. Dividend yield 2.37%. As I've said before, $3.76 for any shares that you buy right now at the price that is at right now. And then the payout ratio, it is 63%. So it is a little bit on the higher end, but to me, it's still pretty safe right there. They do pay out quarterly. They don't pay out monthly. So right here, the dividend growth right now in the last year, it is 3% right here. So their ex-dividend day passed already on January 18, and then everyone got paid on February 15. So are you a PG shareholder? How many shares do you own? That would be nice to know. So please leave me your opinion in the comment section on Procter and Gamble. They increase every, it looks like they increase every April. So hopefully the next dividend will be a little bit higher. Let's see how much in dividend growth we will get as shareholders. That would be really nice. Hopefully they do announce a nice dividend increase, but they don't increase their dividends like very heavy, or they're not very aggressive with dividend growth. But it feels pretty good to continue to get that dividend every quarter, pretty much. So that's what I'm doing with this company. I really like their products, so I'm a fan of it. All right, everyone. $11,200 in market value for my portfolio. So I'm definitely excited about that. I'll be doing another video on Sunday, giving you guys an update on my purchases, on any purchases that I make today. So definitely excited about that. And then next week, I should be doing a video of the dividend income that I received in the month of February, which I'm definitely excited about because it was more than February last year. So that's definitely exciting right there. And then I'm going to ask you, how much in income did you receive in February? That's definitely a good one right there. I'm happy about it. So let's see. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the support. I'm almost at 600 subscribers, which is definitely exciting, and I'm definitely happy about it. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.